Fun thing to do and get some really cool results is to do an envelope distort of text. So if I come in here and I grab my rectangle tool, like so, and wow, we're going to get rid of that stroke. We're going to get rid of that fill. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit of stroke on it just so we can see what's going on here. And I am going to grab my tool here. I'm going to kind of pull those in a little bit and add an anchor point right about there and add an anchor point right about there. Oops. See, it's got to be right on the path. There we go. So I've got anchor points there. And I'm going to take that anchor point and drag it down like so. Grab that anchor point and drag it up like that. So I have like this bow type shape. And then I'm going to take some text and I'm going to type in fun text, like so. And I'm just going to put it right here. And underneath object, arrange, send to back. I'm going to make sure that my text is behind. And it's going to send my text so it's all the way in the back. And I'm going to select the two items. And I'm going to come up underneath object. And I'm going to come to envelope distort and make with top object. Bada boom. Look at that. Fun with text. And then what happens is it gets pushed right into that text. If I double click, it'll show you this so that you can see that, you know, it's hard to read. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to my character palette and I'm going to say instead of -25, I'm going to make it +25 to open up the lettings so that things are more easily read. And then put that character palette away. If I come in here, I can move that around and you can do some really cool stuff. If I grab an ellipse tool and make an ellipse, whoa. Oh, because I have to go all the way back. I'm isolated it because I isolated that. So now we go back like this. Sorry about that. Make a circle. Fill it with none. I'm going to just so you can see that it's there. And I'm going to click on here and make some text. Shape. Put that there. Make sure that object, arrange, send to back so it's all in the back. Select the two. Object, envelope, distort, make with top object. And we have a shape inside a circle. So type is got so many options in Illustrator. It's a lot of fun. You can do some great things and enjoy. This is your possibilities for doing a logo are endless. And next week is when we start our logo project, so we'll be all set.